Hey friends, if you wish to customize Windows 11 Start menu on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Start. Now we have three options here. One is for more pins. See what it does. It adds more pins. Second one is default, equal number of recommendations and pins. And the third one is more recommendations. You can see that the pins have reduced. If you wish to show recently added apps, which is actually turned on by default, you can turn the switch on. And if you want to show most used apps, then you can also turn the second switch on. And I would recommend removing the first one, because even if you recently added an app, why would you want it to show in the start menu if you're not using it actively? Next one is to show recently opened items in start, jump lists and file explorer. If you turn it off, you will not get these recommendations. After this, you have this option to show recommendations for tips, shortcuts and new apps. But if you don't want it, then you can turn it off as well. The next option is to show account related notifications occasionally in start. Okay, so you usually get the notifications here. You may not be getting them right now, but you usually get these ones. So if you want to turn them off, you can turn them off as well. And these are the folders that will appear next to the power button. Okay, currently all of these are off, but you can turn these on. Okay, and you'll notice that they start appearing here next to the power button. Let me show you better. Okay, try adding a few more, and then when you click on start, you'll notice all of them here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.